YouTube, this is blakesgameroom back to you once again with another Rii keyboard review. Now this is the Rii colorful LED backlit multimedia gaming keyboard. The model number is the RK100 Plus, and this is a really nice budget gaming keyboard. Now this is an RGB setup, as you can tell. However, this is the only lighting mode on the keyboard that there is. We can easily turn it on and off just like that, so there's really no horrible way to turn it on and off, and having to use an FN key or what have you. Just real easy, nice big button right there. Turn it on, turn it off. The keyboard itself sounds really nice. As we can tell here, I can just press a few keys, and has a nice somewhat clicky noise, but I don't even know if the camera or the microphone is going to pick that up, but sounds good. And you don't have to put a lot of pressure on the keys either. It's very easy to type with, which is one good thing I like about the keyboard, and it's a reason I picked it up. Another thing that I do like about this keyboard is how large and easy the buttons are to read. These buttons are very nice and large, as you can tell there. Very easy to read, and the lighting makes it even easier. I like how it goes from the blue to the purple to the red to the green, with a little bit of orange in there. Makes it really nice and very pleasing at nighttime. And you can tell here how bright it is with the lights on. So it's a very bright keyboard. There is no brightness settings, however. Like I said, the only LED, the light option you have is with light on or light off. This is going to be perfect for somebody that's just getting into basic gaming, or basic just typing in general. This will be also great for maybe your parents out there looking for a bigger keyboard with big keys, nice, easy to see, backlit, for them to use at nighttime and all. This would be a great keyboard for that. For anybody that has difficulty seeing their current keyboard. This thing has tons of multimedia options up here. We've got the play music, we've got your volume buttons, we got your play, pause, stop for video, we got some email, locking keys and stuff up there. This also has of course, our Windows buttons, has the full keyboard with the numpad included, which is another reason I picked this up. I really want, I don't like the keyboards that get cut off, here, or, just have these, and they don't have this nice numpad. Numpad's really nice. Caps lock, on and off. It works really nice as well. I really can't say anything bad about this keyboard other than the fact that it does flex, as you can see there. That's just because it's made out of plastic. There's no metal or anything like that, holding the keyboard together. It's all just made out of plastic, so that's where you're going to get the flex from. I also like how high they put the keycaps. So as we can see here, very easy to clean when you do go to clean your keyboard. So that's another good thing I do like about that. Very easy to clean. Makes it very low maintenance. Only other thing I have to gripe about is there's no handrails, I guess you could say, or any kind of a wrist rail whatsoever with this keyboard, but that's okay. Listen, the keyboard's $16.99 on Amazon, so you're not paying an arm and a leg. My other keyboard was a $25 gaming keyboard, but the LEDs were kind of going in it, and I wanted to pick up something that was RGB and it was affordable just to try out and see if I really like the RGB colors, and I really do. This Rii keyboard is great. Like I said, if you're just getting into gaming or you need help seeing, you know, this is going to be a great keyboard for you. You can easily buy a wrist rest, which is I plan on doing to solve that problem. But yeah, this thing's been great. There's been no dead keys, no dead LEDs. A lot of people said that this keyboard, the lights and all didn't work or anything like that. Mine works perfect. I really enjoy the keyboard. There is 2 models of this. Like I said, this is the RK100 Plus. This is the little bit bigger version, and it's RGB all the way across. The other model, the RK100, is a little bit smaller of a keyboard, and it gives you 3 lighting options that make the whole keyboard either blue, red, or purple. I like this one. Not only is it $3 cheaper, but it's also more colorful, and I think it looks better aesthetically. But yeah, so you'll get it shipped in this really nice box here, very protective, inside of an Amazon box. So if you're worried about it getting beat up during shipping, don't worry. They do a real good job with that. And if you have Prime, you'll get it in 2 days. So I'm going to give this keyboard a 9 out of 10 just because there's no metal in it or anything whatsoever, and another half point off just because there's no hand rails or rests or anything like that. But other than that, this is a great budget keyboard for $16.99. I don't really see any other keyboards in the market offering what this one does for the price. So if you're looking for an under $20 keyboard, heck, even under $17 keyboard, then I totally recommend the Rii RK100. And this has been Blake at Blake's Game Room. Hope you guys have enjoyed the review. We'll see you back here next time with some more reviews, Pokemon goodies, and video games. Till then, guys, peace out, YouTube.